how can we be human in an age of AI? Let's face it, there is a relentless onslaught of media forecasts, news, expert pronouncements, and visionary entrepreneur predictions about how AI will destroy almost all jobs in a matter of few years. Experts are also predicting that AI systems will potentially attain the level of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, that is, being able to have human-level cognitive abilities, learning capacities, problem-solving abilities, and reasoning expertise. In other words, AI systems will be able to do everything a human being can do. CEOs, employees, investors, entrepreneurs, policymakers, and even university students are worried and even petrified of the future. Will the machines and AI systems completely take over and dominate humanity? Let's face it, AI is a revolutionary technology with extraordinary benefits if it is used to augment human potential. But it could be dangerous if we make it replace humans and enslave humanity without checks, balances, and regulations. Let me explore this question: what makes us human? Really human? What are things AI systems will find difficult or impossible to replicate? Are there human qualities which may be beyond the capacity of machines or AI systems? As a matter of fact, there are unique human attributes beyond AI or programmed machine systems. One unique attribute which human beings have is empathy. This quality that makes us feel and suffer what another human feels and suffers is uniquely human, and this sets a human being apart from a programmed machine or AI system. We can be so moved by the plight of another human being that we can drop everything to help them, or even make a sacrifice for another person. A programmed AI system can be trained to replicate the communication and even the tone of a human being, but the AI program has no feeling or compassion or skin in the game. It frankly doesn't give a damn about you. A very important and uniquely human quality is our moral compass. This is the second attribute which machines cannot replicate. The intrinsic human need to do the right thing, the compulsion to speak the truth, seek justice, and ensure fairness. In fact, all religions, spiritual traditions, philosophies, national constitutions, justice systems, and regulations were created to ensure and maintain this human moral compass, justice, and fairness. Imagine a self-autonomous drone that is fired. It can sense, triangulate, decide, and fire at a target. It has no moral compass. It is programmed to take down a target, nothing more and nothing less. If there are children and families, it really has no compunctions. It's just a task to be done. It's an action to be taken. It is programmed to take this action. There is no moral predicament, compassion, or principle. The third human attribute, which machines and AI systems cannot replicate, is this: human beings and pretty much most life forms have sensations and feelings. We as humans can be dazzled and delighted by the rich blueness of the blue ocean, the depth of emotion of the Fifth Symphony of Beethoven, in the sheer joy of seeing your newborn child smile, and the ecstasy of tasting a strawberry ice cream. This is unique to humans and most life forms. This is often called the hard problem of consciousness. Can an AI system have feelings and sensations? It is almost impossible to imagine that. The fourth attribute, uniquely human attribute, is original creativity and intuition. To come out with a radical idea never seen before, a disruptive innovation. Now, this is an ability which humans have that enables a person to transcend all past programming, data, ideas, and paradigms, and come out with something entirely new and different. AI systems are basically programmed with massive data from the past. It can replicate interesting ideas from the past, images, thoughts, concepts, but it cannot make a creative or intuitive leap into something that's never been done before or created before. Because this act involves making a leap beyond the programming, beyond the program. Here is the fifth attribute. I call it the final frontier as to what makes us human. It is our consciousness and awareness. This is the ultimate human quality. Awareness of ourselves, which is self-awareness. Then there is meta-awareness, which is awareness of our awareness. Our ability to think, to consciously act, decide, eat, speak, and respond. Programmed machines and AI systems can learn. They can be fed new data. They can adapt. They can decide and even act autonomously. All this can make them extremely intelligent, often more intelligent than human beings, but it cannot make them conscious. Only humans can be conscious. An intelligent machine can never be conscious. So what is my hypothesis here? Here is the quick summary. In a world of AI, what will make us stand out is our humanity. It is our empathy, awareness, our intuition, our capacity to sense and feel. It is our morality, and finally, it is our consciousness. Humans must use AI to augment human intelligence and potential, but not to replace it or eliminate it or destroy it. AI is revolutionary and is an incredible tool, but it is a dangerous master. So let us learn to be more human and not less human in an age of AI.